Preparing for a board meeting can be a heavy lift. Directors need to understand what's really happening across the organization, but the information they rely on is often scattered across strategy documents, performance reports, and operational updates. Pulling that all together into a coherent board pack takes time. Raykis changes that. Let's jump over there now and I'll show you how it's done. In Raykis, the organization's strategic context lives in one connected knowledge map. Objectives, key results, risks, metrics, initiatives, and decisions are all linked together, so the relationships between them are clear. Because everything is connected, Raykis can help surface the most relevant insights quickly. For example, I can use Raykis' integrated AI chat feature to ask, "Help me to prepare an agenda for the upcoming board meeting. We are going to be discussing the progress on various initiatives and our current strategic direction. Please look at the workspaces that I have access to and pull together a draft agenda with links to the relevant information." Raykis reviews the strategic workspaces across the organization. It looks at things like progress against key objectives, risks that have changed, important decisions coming up, and areas where performance needs attention. From that, it suggests a focused agenda and highlights the topics that genuinely deserve board time. From there, I can generate a pre-read board pack that pulls together the supporting context automatically. The latest performance data, initiative updates, and the strategic implications behind them. Instead of assembling information manually, board preparation becomes a guided process. The result is simple: better prepared meetings, more focused board discussions, and less time spent chasing information. This is just one of the ways that Raykis helps leadership teams to stay aligned and make better decisions every day.